we are perform a drama of Scholars Mother Tongue from GHPS Sanka. Myself Anusha Devraj Barki. My character is narrator cum minister.
Myself Pallavi Suresh Barki. My character is Birbal.
Myself Darshan Jamananavar. My character is the King Akbar.
Myself Karan Kumar Nagaraj Murtali. My character is Pandit.
Myself Sandeep Gadgar. My character is minister.
Myself Sharath Barki. My character is minister.
Okay, let's restart the play. Attention! The king of King Akbar is coming. The king of King Akbar is coming. Long live Akbar! 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 Long live Akbar!
Stop. Sit down. Birbal,
Your Majesty.
is there any trouble in our kingdom?
No, Your Majesty. There is no trouble in our kingdom. Everything is fine, Your Majesty.
Good. I want all people be happy and safe in our kingdom.
A learned scholar once visits court of the Akbar.
Long live Akbar. Long live Akbar. Long live Akbar. Long live Akbar.
Oh, Pandit, welcome to the court.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is the matter, Pandit? Why are you coming to our court suddenly? Sit down.
Your Majesty, I have mastered all different languages. And I can speak many languages fluently.
Good Pandit! The Pandit makes a challenge to the court.
Is there anybody present here who can find out what my mother tongue is?
The coteries discuss among themselves.
Pandit, maybe your mother tongue is Kannada? No.
Maybe your mother tongue is Urdu?
No.
Maybe Tamil?
No.
Che. But they fail in their attempt to the Pandit's mother tongue.
Oh no.
And so you all accept defeat? Oh no.
Just then Birbal speaks.
Wait, Pandit. I shall find out what your mother tongue, but
What, Birbal? Is there any problem?
I need some time. So please give me one day or so.
Oh, glad to hear that, Birbal. Take your own time.
Thank you, Pandit.
Okay, Your Majesty. I am going now.
Okay, today's court is
Long
Live Akbar.
Long live Akbar! 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 That night, Birbal sneaks into the Pandit's bedroom and finds him fast asleep. He whispers into the Pandit ear. Then he tickles his ear with a feather. Pandit in his sleep shouts words in his mother tongue.
ఎవరది?
Oh, well, that's it.
The next day in the court, the king of King Akbar is coming. The king of King Akbar is coming.
Long live Akbar! Long live Akbar!
Long live Akbar! Long live Akbar! Long live Akbar! Long live Akbar!
Stop. Sit down. Where is the Pandit?
Long live Akbar! Long live Akbar! Long live Akbar! Long live Akbar!
Pandit, welcome to the court. Okay, Birbal, have you find it out? Pandit's mother tongue?
Yes, Your Majesty. The Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu.
Yes.
The King Akbar is astonished to hear this.
Well done, Birbal, well done. But how did you find it out?
Your Majesty, in times of difficulty, a person speaks his mother tongue.
Birbal then narrated the entire incident that took place in Pandit's bedroom the previous night.
Clever, Birbal. Really very proud of you. You have indeed proved in your wit again.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
The coteries praise Birbal's wit.
Well done, Birbal.
Thank you.
I accept defeat, my lord. The indeed Birbal is cleverer than me.
Hooray! The Pandit leaves the king's court in dismay.
Che.
You are very clever, Minister Birbal. Really, I am proud of you once again. So this moment I will give you small present for your greatness.
No, my lord. I don't need any present. I want only your blessing.
No, Birbal, it's for my happiness and also you deserve it. So keep it up, my boy.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Hooray!
Thank you, Nando.